Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Gruvgear Guitar. I have full focus on this song called Tems Big Daddy. So from Tems Big Daddy, cool title, cool song. I thought it would be nice for you to have this cool lick. And yes, the challenge here is the tempo. You have to practice slowly and then speed up gradually. Let's go into it. And we have a capo on third to match up with the sound. I have the easiest chords possible. So capo on there, and let's go over the chords. We have the C major first. Okay, so that goes third A, second D, open G, open B, open E. We have the B minor 7 next, which is a bar chord. So place the index finger here on the second fret. You push down all strings except on that last E string in the bass here. So 5 strings below, and then you need to add fourth D, and third B. Then we also got the B7, okay? So the only difference here from B minor 7 to B7 is that third B will be fourth B instead. Everything else stays the same there with the bar and everything. So fourth B and fourth D added to that second fret bar. All right, that's the B7 chord. Then also, finally, we have that A7 sus2, long name for a very easy chord to hold. You just need to hold the second fret D string, and then you incorporate all the other strings open except from that last E string. You don't need that one. So open A and open G, B, and high E. And that's the A7 chord. Now, let's go into the melody, and we're gonna start with the C major. So the chord progression here will be C major, B minor. You go back and forth for 3 rounds. So C major, B minor, C major, B minor, C major, B minor. Then you end with A7 and B7. And all that is one chord progression round, you can say, and you just repeat that over and over again till the very end. So let's go into the melody world here and look at the C major 7. It goes like this. Okay, so hold the chord as it is and play third A, open B, open G, then open B, open G, and second D. That's it. So then you shift chord to the B minor 7, hold the chord as it is, and you play the same strings, just different grip and notes, of course. So now it's second A, third B, second G, then third B, second G, and fourth D. So repeat that for 3 times. So 2 more times goes like this. Then you come to the A7 chord, and you hold that as it is, and you play the same strings again. So that is now open A, open B, open G, then open B again, open G, and second D. And now the final chord is the B7, and that's a little bit different in the end there. You're gonna hold the chord as it is and play. Okay, so that will be second fret A, fourth B, second G, then fourth D, then fourth B. Then you slide out to get the fifth B, a little bit stretchy there with your little pinky, but it's not too hard actually. And then you get the second high E from the bar. So the end will be. And what I do there, I pick the fourth B and the slide out to fifth B. I just slide out, okay? So I don't pick that fifth B. You will hear that in the slide, okay? And then I pick, of course, the second E. And there you have the melody. So the ending there, A7 and B7, goes like this. Sorry. Alright, so there you have it. And of course now we can also use a strumming pattern. A little bit tricky or kind of different is more the right word. So I play like this. Okay, so if you grab the first chord C major, you're gonna play down, down, down. So I play on the first 2 downs on the bass strings. And then on the 3rd down, I play on the higher strings down here. Okay, so bass, bass, top. And then the second half will be up, up, down. That's how I do it, okay? So again, down, 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 up, up, down. Down, 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 up, up, down. And on that up, up, I also play on the bass strings, and the final down, I go down on the higher strings. So it's bass, bass, top, bass, bass, top. Down, 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 up, up, down. Bass, bass, top, up, up, down. All right, and I do one of these per chord, so that will be basically C major, B minor, C major, B minor, C minor, B minor, and then A7, B7. It goes like this. Round around, that's how life goes sometimes, and that is how Tems Big Daddy is rolling. So I hope you enjoyed this, and if it was helpful, please let me know, leave me a comment what you think about this tutorial, and be back for next time. Hope to see you soon, guys. Play tuned.